Hello guys, I'm Bo. If you are new here, you don't know who am I. I just want to sharing who am I. I am Bo. Actually, I am full-time housewife, but I like to plant the flower, indoor plant, and the vegetable. And we have a small garden outside from our house, and I still have a garden in my house that like I plant indoor plant. So next time I will take you to see my indoor plant. But today I will show you that's my job that I do today is cooking. I will cook water morning glory or water spinach if someone call like that. But in Thai we call pak bung. And today I will make stir fry water morning glory. Is one famous dish of Thailand. It's easy to do it, so just follow me how to do it. Let's go. And I go to harvest water morning glory in my garden. Go to see it. After that, take back to home, cut the root out. Then take all the morning glory to wash until clean very well. After that, I take to pinch the morning glory. I don't like to cut it because I think it's a tip how to cook better stir fry for it, because the flavor will be more tasty. So I used to do like this way. You can try it. So I pinch until enough that I want to cook today. And ingredient, they have a clove of garlic, chili. If you want spicy, you put more chili. I only put 3 chili. But if someone don't like spicy, I recommend you don't add chili. And sugar, oyster sauce, bean oyster or bean sauce, and soybean, and a little bit sauce, fish sauce. That's all ingredient. Oh, and the morning goreng that we prepare before too. Take 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, and I use 3 red chili, then punch or smash in a mortar. After that, I take that I punch it in the morning glory. Then add sugar, soybean, oyster sauce, soybean, a little bit fish sauce. So set it. Then I go to turn on the heat. I use the cooking pan, add about 2 spoons of oil cooking. The heat, we use a high heat. Wait until the oil is very hot. Dump the vegetable that you prepare it into the frying pan. Stir fry until the morning glory turn to be wilt. Then serve immediately. So it's done cooking already, and we can eat morning glory. We can cook stir fry, we can cook to be a soup, and we can eat fresh. So today I will show you how we eat it, so go to see it. Thank you for keep watching until the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it and want to make water morning glory stir fry. It's delicious. And if you think this video is useful and help you to know a little bit about our Thai food, please give a like and share to your friends. Feel free to leave comment below. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel if you are new here, and press the bell icon for notification when my new video is coming up. You can see them. Stay safe and healthy. I hope to see you in the next video. If you want me to make more about Thai food, you can leave comment below. I can make, but I'm not sure it's delicious or not. So I have to say goodbye. สวัสดีค่ะ